Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now we have to enter the version. Let's tap on it because we have to find the build number, which will allow us to activate the developer options. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see right now, we are in the developer mode. So we can go back to the general settings and enter additional ones. Now let's scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to don't keep activities. We can show view updates, change the window animation scale, the pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and actually overall to the networking. As you can see, we've got the USB, the Wi-Fi, and so on. So actually quite a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the transition animation zoom, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, I mean just remove them from the list, just go to the very top and tap on the switcher right here. As you can see, actually everything disappeared, and after getting back to the additional settings, you can see that the developer options which were somewhere here are not available. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.